Hello, everybody. It is Montgomery, but my students call me Doc Montgomery. And what are we doing? Diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Hey, hey, hey. So yes, we're learning about cryptocurrencies. And in the previous lesson, we learned how to open up an Ethereum wallet. Now we're going to get into more of how to utilize our wallet and understand how these wallets work and exactly what it means to have a wallet. So let's get into crypto. I didn't like that. Let's do it again. Let's get ready to crypto. So yes, that's exactly what we're getting ready to do. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Let me share my screen. I'm silly, y'all. Don't mind me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Bam! So let's make me bigger. Let's make me bigger. All right. Make this a little bigger too. Let's see if we can do that. All right, here we go. So yesterday, or in the previous lesson, what we did is we created a wallet. Now it's time to access our wallet. So we go here. Once again, we go to myetherwallet.com. Goodness gracious, I'm gonna have to clear all this stuff. Y'all all in my business, seeing how I move and stuff. Like, goodness gracious. We're gonna go to myetherwallet.com. So we're here and we go to access my wallet. Well, what do? Is it new wallet? Is it hardware? Is it new CX or is it software? Well, in our particular case, what we did is we created a quote unquote key store file so that we can access our wallet. The reason why they say that it's not recommended is because computers get hacked. And if somebody hacks into your computer and they know what to look for, they can go and get your key store file, and bam, then they have your key store file. But your key store file isn't good without the password. Well, imagine if they had a keystroke tracker. I'm just saying it's unlikely, but I'm just saying it's possible. They had a keystroke tracker and they had your key store file that they can get and steal all your crypto, and then your crypto would be no more. So we're going to go here, going to go to key store file. And as we said yesterday, we know what our password is. Our password is, I want to learn about crypto. No, we don't want to save it. Why? Because we're not going to save all that on our computer. We're already not exercising the best security protocols, but we do exercising enough. But bam, now we're here. So thing is with crypto, here it is. We have our balance. We have our address, right? We have our balance. We don't have no Ethereum in there. We don't have nothing in there, right? We can swap. Here's our network. We can change what network we're on. Right now, we're seeing what block we're on. We can buy crypto. We can, you know what I'm saying? The advertisements show up there. There's a few things that you can do on the My Ethereum wallet dashboard. But what we're going to go do is we're going to say like this. Let's look at our address. Let's go to our address. Let's copy that. All right. The reason why we're copying our address is like your address to your house. How do I get to my wallet? I get to my wallet has a particular address, and I want to be able to access it. So I want to see where my wallet stands on a blockchain. So we're going to copy this, right? Now, mind you, we can put our address in the QR code. We can print our address. We can copy it. We can copy it like that. You see how it says copy? When you're in crypto, you're going to see you're going to copy and paste your behind off, because you want to make sure that you got everything correct, because one letter or one number off and it can go to a whole different address and can't get it back unless somebody's nice enough to send it back to you. But hey, so let's go to Etherscan. Etherscan.io. And you saw those other addresses and everything. Those are research that I did. So let's go here. It says all filters. It says addresses, tokens, name tags, labels, and websites. Let's go here and put paste. Bam. Look what we found. We have found the particular address that we have, right? Let's go and let's see, can we find any more information about it? Can we find some more information about it? To use this feature, log into your Etherscan and return to this page, right? Let's go to, so we see our particular wallet. This is where our wallet is. Look at the price of Ethereum right now. It's $1,818.94. And in order to make a transaction, it costs 120 Gwei, which is a percentage of Ether. Let's go here. Once again, I told you about how do we see our wallet on the blockchain. Here it is. We put in our address in Etherscan, and there it is. So let's go to blockchain. Let's go to view transactions. Bam. Okay. Transaction hash. This is the hash of the transaction, and this is from who, and this is who, and this is who it went to. Let's go ahead and click on this transaction to see what it was. They sent 2.538 Ether. They sent $4,000. Who sent this, right? What block was it on? 122.7571. Let's go check real quick. But before we do that, you see how we said block? Let's go back here. Look where the last block was right here. The last block on our thing was 120207555. What block was this on? 120207551, meaning that this transaction took some time for it to get validated on the network. But because it takes time, just because it takes time for a transaction to be validated doesn't mean that there aren't new blocks still being added. And so in the time that this transaction took to the time that now look, we're on 120207559. So we've already moved up 4 blocks in a matter of minutes. Crazy. I'm just telling you how, look at it. 120207660. Those are new blocks that are being added to the blockchain. So we're looking here. Let's look at from who? Who is this? Let's go check. Oh, wow. Look how much money that they have. Right? Look at that. From this person. So we're going to go back. We're going to look at right here. We see we're at this person's address, and we can look at all the transactions that they have. So these are the outgoing transactions. You see from this address, right? That same address right here to this address. This was going out. So these were all the transactions. This is a pretty active wallet here. You see what's going out and what's coming in. You see from this address to this address, and that's the address here. So on the blockchain, we can look at transactions, we can look at wallets, and we can see all the transactions that have happened within a particular wallet. Let's go to we could go to top accounts. 7 million Ether. Man, it's $13 billion right there. Look at how many tokens that they have. $128,000 in this, blah, 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 and that, right? Let's go to different tokens. Let's go to the ERC20's top 20 tokens. BNB, I had some of that. Uniswap, Chainlink, USD token, Theta's on the rise, OKB, VChain, Binance, right? All these different tokens, right? So what this helps us understand is what tokens are on the move, what tokens aren't. These are all the things that we just have to look at when we're looking at crypto and we're trying to invest in. But I wanted to give you guys the basics. So once again, we went to our My Ether wallet and logged it into our wallet. We looked at our particular address in Etherscan, and then we started scanning the blockchain. We went through here, looked at particular transactions. We looked at pending transactions. Look at these pending transactions. Remember I said that gas price, the gas limit. The gas price is how much that is costing in order to validate it on the network and put it on the network. And the gas limit is how much somebody's willing to pay in order to make sure that their transaction gets validated. Very interesting. So, Interesting. Charts and stats. These are all things that you can go and look at that are available on Etherscan, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can go and look at each transaction. So people say, oh, it's for fraud and this, that, and third. It's open. You can go and look at it. You can verify it for yourself. You can go and look at transactions that have happened. Let's see. Let's go to Veritasium. $1 billion. The way that they did Reggie Middleton was so wrong, so bad, so wrong. Reggie Middleton is a pioneer in the crypto market. He doesn't get the credit that he deserves, but Reggie Middleton Reggie Middleton's G. I met him. I gotta find my picture that I have with him. I met him like literally randomly on Howard University's campus after homecoming, walking down. I'm just walking and it's in the dark. And he's got a distinctive voice. Reggie Middleton's dope. I got a picture with him and he gave me a coin, gave me a Veritasium coin token, but it's actual physical coin. So just wanted that for everyone to see how to do that, and check back with us later for the next videos, and we're gonna show you a little something else too. I got a little something else in store for you. So thank you and welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Doc Montgomery, y'all take care. Be blessed, y'all. Finito.